Support said the images were fixed. They never were. Two sources, one listing on brand-registered ASINs, both brand registry submissions and retail side submissions, can compete for control of the same image. Whichever source is prioritized isn't always visible to the seller. A seller can upload a correct image and still watch it get overridden. Contact the contributor. She was the contributor. A seller from an approved brand has to have an image corrected. Support closed the case saying the images were updated and without verifying that. The standard advice to contact your brand's contributor was pointless. She already was one. A templated answer, not a real investigation. Some cases were closed without checking who actually submitted the conflicting image. A generic response can look like resolution without solving anything. The seller is left with the same broken image and a case marked closed. Don't accept updated, verify it. If a case is closed as resolved, check the live listing yourself before moving on. If the image still hasn't changed, reopen with the specific detail. You are the brand's contributor, not a third party. Naming that clearly up front can cut through a templated response faster